Welcome to Gulmohar Tree Talk. Gul means flower, Mohor is stamp. The tree Gulmohar has the peacock coloration on one of the standard petal within one bloom, which is having different coloration. 4 petals of a different color and one petal having the peacock like impression. So this tree Gulmohar is also known as peacock flower, and the gaudy scarlet red flowering during summer, especially in the month of May, attracts everybody towards its flamboyant color. So this is also known as flamboyant tree. Originally, the credit of its introduction in America goes to then St. Kitts governor Pine C. So the tree was also known after him, after his name, as Pine Siana. So being gaudy color and having a royal look, tree is also known as Royal Pine Siana. Then earlier it was under the genus Pinesiana regia, but now the botanical name is Dallonyx regia, and Dallos means claw. If we closely look at the flower of Gulmohar, we will find the petals have a claw. So Dallos means claw. The clawed petals is another distinguishing character of Gulmohar. In Bengali language, the tree is known as Krishna Chuda. So it has some connection with Krishna also. Although this tree is native to Madagascar and it was introduced in India 200 years back, it got its connection with Krishna also, because the flowers, they look like, or they are used for Krishna's crown also, Krishna Mukat. So it, with its beauty, connected to Krishna's crown decoration, it's also known as Krishna Chuda. So Dallonyx regia have the scarlet red flowering, most common, but there is another variety which is Dallonyx regia variety flavida, which has the golden color, which has the yellow color. That is the rare variety, but that is also cultivated tree in India. In some locations in Uttar Pradesh we find that, even in West Bengal, that is known as the Radha Chuda. So for Dallonyx we have both Krishna Chuda as well as the Radha Chuda varieties. This tree, native to Madagascar, has gone in the threatened category. In the natural habitat it has declined and it is one of the threatened species, but because of its widespread cultivation in parks and gardens for its ornamental value, the tree is very prominent, and mostly the May flowering tree which catches the sight of everybody. This is planted along roadside, in parks and gardens, and very prominent tree having a spreading umbrella like canopy. Bipinnate leaves are feathery. They are alternate basically, and then bipinnate leaves are divided and subdivided into, first into pinnae and then into pinnules or leaflets. So this tree gives a feathery look when it is simply in leaves, but once flowers appear, then leaves are hidden and only flowers we are able to see. This is a nectar yielding flower. So many butterflies, they are also attracted towards the flowers, especially the swallowtails. Many Pachyliopta species, Pachyliopta hector, Pachyliopta aristolochi, even Papiliopolitus, even hawks, because the flower doesn't close during night hours, they remain open. So some sphingid moth, especially Macroglossum hawk moth, also visits the flower of Dallonyx regia, and even some of the birds, for example parakeets, rose-ringed parakeet, Seticula craneri, even barbet, Xylopogon gelanicus also visits the Dallonyx regia gulmohur tree. We have another gulmohur which is common in parks and gardens, but it has the blue color, purple color. So this is basically Neeli gulmohur. This is from different family, Bignoniaceae, to which our familiar dashmole tree, Oroxylum indicum, belongs. So because of the Bignoniaceae character, the leaves are basically opposite. They are opposite, but the leaves are again bipinnate. The way we have in Dallonyx regia, similarly in Jacaranda mimosifolia, also leaves are bipinnate. But in case of why it is called mimosifolia? Because folia means leaves. Leaves look like mimosa. Mimosa means Mimosa rubicalis or Mimosa pudica, Lajvanti shuimui, or Mimosa rubicalis, which we call in Dogri as the ral. The leaves look like kikar, acacias, babul ki tarah patte. So this is known as Mimosa leaved jacaranda. And this is also called the exam tree in South Africa, because this is the time, May month, when students are preparing for the examinations. At that time there is a mesmerizing beauty of this tree, but they seldom find time to appreciate because they are busy in the exam preparation. So this is also called as purple jacaranda, because of its purple blooming in abundance. So in Pretoria, South African city, there are a lot of Jacaranda mimosifolia trees, and when they blossom in the month of May, whole city gives a purple blue look. So the tree is also named as Jacaranda city. Dallonyx regia, our common gulmohur, is also called a Ragtura in Hindi. And because of Ragtura, red color, and native to Madagascar, our Neeli gulmohur is not native to Madagascar, Africa. This is native to Argentina and Bolivia. So this is a South American tree, Jacaranda mimosifolia. But because of its ornamental beauty, it has been planted all around the globe, in African, Asian countries, even in some Mediterranean region, and even South America. So this Jacaranda mimosifolia also has one variety with white flowers, which is Jacaranda mimosifolia variety alba, which produces white flowers, and they are not in that abundance or profusion as we find in blue variety. The purple variety is mostly planted in Jammu also. We usually see this tree becomes unwieldy, but it has age, it can live up to 200 years. That is the longevity of this tree. So in the initial years, from the horticulture point of view, it is recommended that we should prune its branches for initial 10-15 years, so that it gets a good shape, and ultimately it gives us that aesthetic look. Jacaranda mimosifolia also has the medicinal qualities. Its bark is especially medicinal and is recommended in wound healing, even in digestive problems. And there is some research going on where it has been divulged that Jacaranda extract is also useful in leukemia. So this tree is, although not native to India, but exotic, having the medicinal qualities and moreover the ornamental values, is appreciated by the gardeners and the nature lovers. Likewise, Dallonyx regia, our gulmohur, also has some medicinal properties. Its flowers and leaf extract is recommended in folklore for the treatment of some digestive problems. So both these gulmohurs, Lal gulmohur Dallonyx regia and Neeli gulmohur Jacaranda mimosifolia, are the flowering trees which beautify our environment during the scorching summer month of May, June. These 2 months we see the beauty of these two gulmohars, Lal Gulmohar and Neeli Gulmohar. With both trees have lot of horticultural value, and each and everybody is connected to these two trees. Thank you.